Hey, if you are looking for some visual comparison between Huawei FreeBuds 5i and the Huawei FreeBuds SE2, here we are. So first we've got the charging cases. In the case of the FreeBuds 5i, it's a little bit bigger. We've got the same charging method, the USB-C on the both earbuds. When you take a look on the FreeBuds 5i, you can find the pairing button or the reset button on the right side, but on the FreeBuds SE2 we cannot find this button. To pair them or to reset them, we have to use the sensors that are located right here in the earbuds, and to perform any action we have to just do this like this and take a look for the indicator right here, so it will turn white or red depending on how long we are gonna hold them. When you take a look for the marking, there is nothing on this case, only the Huawei logo. The indicator is located right here in the front, and when you open the cases they look like this. And when we take a look for the earbuds, let's remove left 5i and the left SE2. So that's how it looks. On the 5i we've got the marking right here. On the SE2 we don't have it. The sensor is right here on the SE2, and in my opinion it's better. It's better to have the cutout because people will easily use it. On this kind of the earbuds without the cutout, it's kinda hard to point sometimes on it. And when you take a look also on the tip, so the tip is on the 5i, but on the SE2 we don't have it. And in my opinion it's better to have tip because it reduces the sound that comes from the background. And when you take a look about the sizes, it's almost identical. Just take a look. It looks like the SE, it's smaller a little bit. If you want to know about some markings inside the case, so on the both earbuds we can find some information inside right here, some serial code and other stuff like that. And yeah, that's all. The visual comparison between the Huawei FreeBuds 5i and the Huawei FreeBuds SE2. That's all. Bye!